What if I told you that 40% of everything you do today isn't actually a choice? You're moving through your life on autopilot. And if you don't know how to program that pilot, you're flying toward a destination you didn't choose. We all have that one thing we want to change. Getting to the gym, reading more, or finally waking up earlier. We try for a few days, fail, and then blame our lack of willpower. But science shows that willpower is the problem. Today, we're diving into the psychology of the habit loop and a 21-day blueprint that will show you how to trick your brain into making success feel as natural as brushing your teeth. To build a habit, you first have to understand how your brain stores them. Every habit follows a simple three-step cycle: the cue, the routine, and the reward. Think of it like this. You hear a ding on your phone. That's the cue. You check the message. That's the routine. You feel a tiny hit of excitement. That's the reward. Your brain loves this loop because it saves energy. It doesn't have to think anymore. It just reacts. Most people try to change the routine without ever looking at the cue. If you want to build a new habit, you have to choose a cue that already exists in your life. Like, after I pour my morning coffee, I will write one sentence in my journal. You've probably heard that it takes exactly 21 days to form a habit. While that's not a magic number for everyone, 21 days is the critical zone. During the first 3 weeks, your brain is physically fighting the change. It's trying to go back to the old, easy paths. This is why the 21-day mark is so famous. It's the point where the resistance starts to fade and the automation starts to kick in. It's like trying to launch a rocket. You use 90% of your fuel just getting off the ground. Once you pass that 21-day atmosphere, you can start to glide. Stop trying to be stronger and start being smarter with your surroundings. If you want to eat healthier but your kitchen is full of cookies, you've already lost. Your willpower is like a phone battery. It drains throughout the day. By 7 p.m., it's at zero. To survive the 21-day challenge, you need to design your environment for success. If you want to run in the morning, put your shoes right next to your bed. If you want to stop scrolling at night, leave your phone in another room. Make the good habits easy and the bad habits nearly impossible to reach. Life is going to get in the way. You'll get sick, you'll have a late night at work, or you'll just have a bad day. Most people miss one day of their new habit and say, "Well, I ruined it," and then they quit. The secret to making it through the 21-day reset is the never miss twice rule. Missing one day is an accident. Missing 2 days is the start of a new habit of not doing it. If you stumble on day 10, that's fine. Just make day 11 your most important day of the year. Perfection isn't required for habit building. Consistency is. You are the sum of your habits. If you change your habits, you literally change who you are. The next 21 days are going to pass anyway. You might as well use them to become the person you've always wanted to be. If you're ready to start your 21-day reset, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Comment the word Day 1 below to commit to your new habit starting right now. And if you want to know how to rewire your brain even faster using the power of neuroplasticity, check out our deep dive right here. Small wins every day.